Good evening, students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So last class we were discussing least cost method, right? Everyone clear about that method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let us discuss the next method, northwest corner rule. Chalo, copy the question. So example number example number 1. So this is northwest corner rule. So why you people are not coming to classes physically? Offline and online people. There is no seriousness at all for you people. If this is the way you treat your CMA like this, it will bounce you back to the next classes, not to final. So write down 12, 4, 9. So this is the question. So now northwest corner rule. If here the direction C is like this, so this is east facing, right? So this is west and this is north. This is north, sorry, and this is south. So here the northwest corner rule का मतलब यहाँ से start करना है. Reduction will be started from here where the west corner and the north corner is meeting. So this is northwest corner rule. So from here, so now we'll take 12 number. So here the factory one has how many units? 55. Okay. Here the warehouse 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here the warehouse one has 40 units. So the 40 will be reduced from 55, right? It will become 0. Now here 40 minus 55, it's 15. So this already, this warehouse has met all the units. So scratch it, cross down that. So next northwest corner will be here. We have to do till the units are reduced and become 0. Okay, in this row only the total units are 55, still we have 15. So this 15 also should be reduced and make that 15 as 0. Okay, till that we need to do in the first corner. Okay, next here there are 15 units, right? So make it 0. So now here there are still 5 units. So here cross down. Next northwest rule, northwest corner will be this one because it's already crossed out. So next one this. So here there are only 5 units, right? So write down this 5 units. So it will become 0. Here it will be 40. So scratch down this. So next northwest corner here there are 40 units, right? So write down the 40 units, 0, and here still 10 units will be there. Okay, everyone clear? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Hello.
Huh? Is there any doubt? No. Can
No,
I
ma'am.
continue? Other students? So
Yes, ma'am.
next one, so the next northwest corner will be this 4 one. So here there are 10 units, right? So here there will be 20 after deducting this 10 units. So it will become 0. So scratch down this. Next one here, there are 20 units still more in the F3. So we need to write this 20 units. So here reduce 20 units from 30, it will become 10. So this will be 0. So scratch it. So next here, so in the 9, it is 10 units, right? It will become 0. Here it will be 40. We'll scratch it. Next here the 40 units and 40 units, 0, 0. Everyone clear? Any doubt, ask me now itself. Any doubts? Understood clearly or not?
मैम मैम ये जो क्रॉस करना पड़ता है, काटना पड़ता है, मतलब रो से काटे या फिर कॉलम से, ये समझ में नहीं आ
अच्छा,
रहा।
कहाँ से काटना पड़ता है आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है क्या? अच्छा, when the value will become 0, right? So you need to scratch that row. If the here the 55 became 0 first, so you need to scratch it. If 40 became 0, you need to scratch the column. If 55 becomes 0, you need to scratch the row.
Okay, ma'am.
So if 40 becomes 0, you need to scratch this one column. So
Okay,
we'll do
ma'am.
the next question. Can I erase? Copied. So here we need to check the m plus n minus 1 is equal to how many cells we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So what m plus n, how many rows and columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, right? So 8 is equal to 8. So it is a feasible solution, optimal solution, right? So our problem is correct. So this is optimal solution. So now this question is based on balanced units. Okay. If there is unbalanced question arise, you need to introduce a dummy matrix. So what's the cost will be? 12 into 40, 4 into 15, 1 into 5, 6 into 40, 4 into 10, 7 into 20, 9 into 10, and 1 into 40. So this add all these and tell me total amount. Total cost is equal to. Clear everyone? Copied? Be regular to the classes, students. Be regular to the classes. If you don't understand anything, ask the sir or ma'am, whoever teaching you. Ask them, but don't be absent from the classes. Be regular. If you are not regular, you will gonna face, मतलब इतना टिपिकल होता है कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए बहुत टिपिकल होता है आपको एग्जाम्स में. Don't take this CMA or CA something as easy. It's not easy that you are thinking. Okay? It's not easy, it's very typical. When you are very thorough with the classes and very thorough with your books and very thorough with your revision, so then only it may or may not qualify you as a CMA. But when you are absent in every classes, how can you qualify this inter? And this chapter office is providing you a good opportunity. It is providing you classes. Why you people are not very serious about your classes or your studies? When there is an opportunity, you have to utilize the opportunity. When you are not utilizing the opportunity, no one will give the opportunity when you want to utilize it. When the opportunity comes, we need to utilize. Okay? Be regular and be serious with your subjects. So the next question, example number 2. Copy the second question. When I was taking the classes, I used to take online classes for the first attempt, and the second attempt I have took offline. And the classes will be from morning 6 to evening 7. Only the 1 hour break will be there in the middle for the lunch, and 10 to 20 minutes as a tea a break, like that. So we used to listen for those many hours. But then also it took me for the final CMA group 2 I have cleared. So it took me 3 attempts. When I was very thorough with the classes, very thorough with my revision, everything, but also I have not cleared. If you are not very serious, it will make you cry very seriously after the results. When you are giving many attempts, you will use everything, your time, your age, your career, everything. Okay, so this is the second example. Chalo, now northwest corner rule will start from here. This is the northwest. Here I said you na in this. So this is east, in west, north and south points. So this is a northwest point where the north face and east west face is meeting. So we need to start the question from here. So here tell me 7 units can be reduced from 9 units, right? So you will get 2 more units to satisfy. So here it is 0. So now the row is 0 right here. So first you need to scratch the row. Okay. So next will be 6. So how many units are there? 7. But in the warehouse there are only 2 units available. So we need to take this 2. Here there are 5 more units to satisfy. So next here the 2 will become 0. Here the column has become 0, right? So now you need to, when the values become 0 only, you need to cross it. Column or row, whatever it may be, the units need to be fully reduced. Okay. So the next one, fifth, 5 points are there in F2 and W2 में कितना है 10 है. अभी कितना होगा? After reducing this 5 units, there will be another 5 more units in W2. So now it became 0. So you need to scratch it. Next one, next 15 है ना? Next northwest corner rule में ये point northwest का है ना? Next there are 5 units in W2, so make it 0, and after reducing 5 from 10 you will be having 5 more units. So now scratch it because it became 0. So next one, there are still 5 more units in F3. So take that 5 units and reduce it from 8. So how many remaining units will be? 3. So now it became 0. So scratch down. So next one, next northwest corner rule में 7th point we need to take. Next there are 3 units in W3 and there are 6 units in F4. So reduce the 3 units from 6 units. So you will get this 0 and this, there will be 3 more units to reduce. Okay, cross it. So next one, next here. So already it is 0, right? Acha, sorry, this one, I'm sorry. So not this, don't scratch this, so this one. Okay, there are still more 3 units, right? So take this 3 units here and there are 11 units here now. So scratch that. So next here there are 5 units and here there are 6 units total. How much? 11 units. So here 0, scratch total. Clear everyone?
मैम ये 11 होगा या फिर
हाँ हाँ ये वाला
मैम यहाँ होगा. हाँ
हाँ ये वाला.
जी मैम.
Yes, here we have took 5 units, right, in F5.
Yes मैम.
Next in the F6 we have took 6 units. So the total 11 units, right? Acha. Sorry. No.
9 होगा.
6 plus 5. Yeah, yes, it's correct only. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 3, 14, right? Yes, it's right only. Here we took 5 units, so it became 0. Next in the second row we took 6 units, it became 0. So 5 plus 6, here we have 11 units. So it will be 0, right? 5 plus 6, 11. Clear? Everyone online, is that clear? Any doubt, please do ask me. I will explain it once again. Everyone online, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, copy it now. So ये feasible
Yes, miss.
solution है कि नहीं देखना पड़ेगा अभी. Feasible solution. So what is that? M plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. So how many number of cells are occupied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here how many rows and columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 cells occupied. So 9 is equal to 9. So this is a feasible solution, right? So the total cost. Total cost is 8 into 7, 8 into 7, 6 into 2, like this. And 9 into 5, 15 into 5, 6 into 5, 7 into 3, 8 into 3, 13 into 5, 12 into 6. So do the total. Tell me the total cost. Copying, everyone copying it. Actually in your book it is not mentioned clearly what method is this and how stepwise they are doing. They made it clumsy, so I was explaining with examples. These questions are from CA. These are not an example questions from some other material, but these are the questions from CA material. CA इंटर का questions है. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में. Actually mostly CMA exam pattern and questions will mostly come from CA only. Direct questions he will ask from CA also. CA का previous questions में से directly he will ask sometimes. If people are doing CA and CMA both, so you can easily clear CMA.
Ma'am, total cost 400.
400. Yes, 400. Okay, finished everyone? Copied? Everyone, are you listening the class or you are muting the call and doing your own work or something? Chalo, I'm erasing it. Can I?
1 minute, ma'am.
One, okay. Don't copy it like that only. So do it on your own so that you will know what is what. When you do it on your own only, then you will get the doubts. So how this has come, this has come like that. You will get the doubts when you do it on your own. If you are copying as it is, you will get no doubts. And this scratches or cross downs, you make it with a pencil. Okay, write this total question with pen and make the scratches with pencil. Here also you'll make it with pencil, so whenever you will revise, so it will be clear. If not, it will look like ugly, like you cannot revise anything.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the next question. So copy it with me. So now this is the question. So here they have given with demand and supply. So tell me, you will tell the now you people will be telling, now I will be doing. Tell me, everyone online. So first tell me from where we need to do the problem.
Ma'am, 25.
It's 55.
55, ma'am, 25. Some
Acha,
correct.
25. Okay. So here how many units you'll get?
50.
15.
15. Yes, ma'am.
So next one.
30. 10.
So remaining students, are you listening or not? So I want everyone to pay attention and everyone to participate in this. So remaining students, tell me from where the question now again we need to do. Manish?
30 30 के सामने 15 होगा मैम
Huh?
15 30 के सामने 15 और नीचे
Yes.
5
15. 15.
नीचे
No, it's 10.
Madam,
So
10
here we have only 10 units, right? So it becomes 0. So
10
still 5 more units here. So next here 5 units. Here you will remain with 15, so it will become 0. So scratch it. So next one, there are only 15 units in S3 supply. So but the demand is 20, so we'll take 15 units of supply and make it 0, and here it will be 5. Scratch it. So next, here 5, so make it 0. Here you will be with 25 units. Okay, so here it is 0, so cross it. So next here we have 25 units in S4 and 15 units in S5. So the total is 40 units. So everything got satisfied. Okay. So feasible solution. m plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. So m, what is m? Rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to how many number of cells are occupied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1, 7, right? So 7 is equal to 7. So our solution is feasible. So next total cost is 55 into 25, 30 into 10, 40 into 5, 100 into 15. So what is the total cost? Clear everyone? So tell me the total cost.
Ma'am, 4925.
1925.
49.
4925.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone copied? Copied? Can I erase? Can I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us do one unbalanced question. So now till now we are doing balanced questions. So now unbalanced. So this question I have made you to write for the least cost also. So the same question we'll discuss. So here the cost is, so what's the total cost for this and this? Tell me, total cost for warehouses and the factory cost. Calculate this. This is 1500 and this is 1400, right? Yesterday we have did for least cost. So 100 rupees is differences. So now we have to introduce a dummy matrix called warehouse 6. So here make that as 0. So how many units? The difference is 100. So with 100 units we need to introduce dummy matrix. Okay? Clear everyone? Yes. So now tell me from where the question starts? Here. So how many units? 200. So 0. So still 200 units are there. So now this still 200 units we can take here because it has 280. So remaining units are 80. So 0. So next, here 80 units, 0. So cancel it. So here 420 units are there. Next here we can take 240 units from here. So now it becomes 0. Send 420 minus 240, how much? 180. Tell me.
मैम क्या क्या बोले? 420 minus
420 minus 240, 180, right?
Yes ma'am.
So here take 180 units again. So 360 minus 180.
Minus 180. 180 ma'am.
Yes, 180 units still there are. So now next 180 units from F3. So this will become 0. So scratch it. 600 minus 180. 420.
Yes,
So here 320 units and this is 100 units. So we have met all demand and supply. So now feasible solution. M plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. So it is M 1, 2, 3 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, right? So 8 is equal to 8. So it is feasible solution. Now tell me the total cost. Do it, tell me the total cost.
Ironically, ଖାଇବି ପଢି ସାରିଲେ ଖାଇବେ ନା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି
କେତେଟା କ୍ଲାସ ଅଛି ତାର?
এটা କେତେ ସାଢ଼େ 6ଟା ଯାଏଁ ହବ। पूछिए पड़े क्या बोले भलसे।
So tell me the total cost. Do it and tell me. What happened? Total cost. Are you doing or not?
मैम
କଣ ହେଲା କଣ ଆପଣ ପଡିଲା କି?
So can you please mute your call? Who is that? Shubhashree. So I'm erasing it. Do that total cost. So next method is Vogel's approximation method. This is important, very important. Write down here VVIP. So Vogel's approximation method. So let us do with our previous example questions. So write down the question again. This 12-4 wala. Twelve, 4, 9, 5, 9, 8, 1, 6, 6, 7, 1, 12, 4, 7, 6, 9, 1. So now it's a balanced question. So pay attention everyone, okay? So okay, so draw like this. Finished everyone?
no मैम
Copied?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so now listen carefully. So now we are assuming the difference between this as P1, P2, P3. You'll let you know further while doing the question. So tell me in the first
Dou-
row, huh?
ম্যাম ডবল ফাইভটা 4 না 9?
Which one?
ডবল ফাইভ
This is 55 and 45. Acha, this one.
yes yes
This is 9. 12, 4, 9, 5, 9, 8, 1, 6, 6 and 7, 1, 12, 4, 7 and 7, 10, 15, 6, 9, 1. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So here tell me in the first row what is the least cost? 4, right? And the next least cost is, first least cost is 4 and the next least cost is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So next one is the least cost here. So the next least cost is 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. So the next least cost in the third row is 4 and the 1 is the least cost and the next one is 4. So 4 minus 1, 3. And here itself tell me 1 minus 6, 5. Okay. So in the
Dakar.
column wise, yeah. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So next in the column wise, tell me. First least cost is 1. So the next least cost is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Here 4 minus 1, 3. And 4 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 6, 1. So 7 minus 1, 6. Clear P1? Any doubt, please do ask me.
Ma'am, please again P1.
Again. So
Yes, ma'am.
you have to choose the least cost firstly. So here the least cost is 4. So the next least cost we need to choose. So here the next least cost is 5. So write down the difference, that only. Okay. Differences between the two least cost. So here it is 4 minus 5, 1. Or 5 minus 4, it's 1. Okay. So in the second row it is 1. First least cost is. So the second least cost is 6. So 6 minus 1, 5. And here 4 minus 1 in the third row, 4. And 1 is also least, first one. So the next least cost is 4. So 4 minus 1, it's 3. So in the fourth row, so first least cost is 1. And the next least cost is 6. So 6 minus 1, it's 5. In like that only, in the column wise also you need to choose. So here 8 is the first least cost, and first least cost is 1, second one is 8. So 8 minus 1, 7, and 1 minus 4, 3, and 4 minus 6, 2, and 6 minus 5, 1, and 7 minus 1, 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to choose now from the P1 in the column wise and the row wise. So the higher number. So from the column, from the row wise and from the column wise, P1 value should be chosen the higher number. So here the higher value is 7, right? In the column wise, and the row wise, the value of 7 is higher. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we have to reduce the cost from this W1. So how we'll reduce? So we need to choose the least cost from the W1. So the least cost is 1. So from the 1, so here 30 units and here 40 units. So 30 units will be reduced from 40. So here still there will be 10 units. So make it 0 and cross it. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Yes. So next we have to do P2 like that only, same 4 minus 5, 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Next here it has already crossed, so dash, keep that as dash, and 6 minus 1, 5. So next here it has already, this is done. So next least cost is 8 minus 10, 2 here. So next 3 and 6 minus 6, here it is 0, and 6 minus 5, it is here 1, and 7 minus 1, it's 6. So tell me the next least cost is in P2, sorry, higher cost is in P2, higher number 6, right? In P2 the higher number is column wise and row wise 6, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have to cross down or reduce the amount from W5. So here the least cost in this column is 1. So you need to take 40 units from 50. So you'll get 10 units more. So cross it. So next do P3. Everyone, P3 tell me how much? Same 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. And 7 is not there, and here 6 minus 9, it's 3, and here 8 minus 10, 2, and 3, 6 minus 6, 0, and 6 minus 5, 1, and here nothing. So tell me the next higher one, higher number is 5, right? So in fifth one, in F2 we need to choose the least cost as 1. 1 is the least cost here. So how many units we can reduce? 20 units from 45. So it will become 0. Cross it. So 20 minus 45, you will get 25 units more. Clear? Is there any doubt till here? Ask me. So next P4, tell me P4. So next one least cost 5 and 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 6 minus 6 is 0, and here nothing is there, it's already crossed. So here 6 minus 9, next 3, next 8 minus 10, 2, here nothing is there, 6 minus 6 is 0, and here 6 minus 5, 1, and here also nothing. So the next least
0.
4 here. So the next higher number is 4. So here tell me in the first row, so 5 is the least cost. So how many units can you? 30 units. So cross it, make it 0, and here still 25 units are there. Okay. So next one, do it. P5. Next one. So it's already crossed. 12 minus 9, 3. And here 8 minus 6, 2, and here it is not there, and here it is 4, and actually we have no space, so I will do here. So 12, so 10 minus 1, 8 minus 10, 2, and here 6 minus 6, it will be 0, and here it is not there. So tell me the higher number is 4. So it is 4. So this is row wise and that is column wise. It's 4, right? So 4 कौन सा row में आ रही है? F4 का. So here the least cost is 50, right? Sorry, 6. So how many units are there here? 10. So you can cancel only 10. So there are still 40 units. So make it 0 and cancel this. Okay, next to P6. P6 and 12 minus 9, 3, 8 minus 6, 2. So it is not there and it's not there. So next one, 12 minus 8. Sorry, it's 4, right? 12 minus 8. No. Okay. It's next 4. So here it's not there. And 9 minus 6, 3. And it is not there. So here the higher number is 4. 4 matlab W1 में आ रही है. So here the least number is here. So how many units are there here? 25, and now here 10. So this 10 reduced from 25. So make it cross at 0, and still 15 more units are there. Okay. So now only two numbers are there. So put this 15 here, 6, and next 25 here. So how much? 40, right? So 0. So everything is crossed. Clear, everyone? Clear? Once try to do on your own. Try to do it on your own. Then you will get doubts. Everyone understood or not? Actually here in the board there is no space, so that's why I have written this side, that P5 and P6 as column wise I have written this side.
मैम
Yeah.
मैम यहाँ पे जो 25 और 15 रह गया है, इसका क्या करेंगे?
कहाँ?
यहाँ पे या टोटल पे W5 के बाद
This one.
ऊपर
Actually this has been 0. Actually we have took here, no? I have forgot. So this one also make it 0. We have took here, right? You can, if you are getting any doubt, just count like this. Everything is done on us. 25 plus 30, you got 55. So this has completed fully. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 15, so 45. So this is also completed fully. And here 30, here 30, so it's completed. So 10 plus 40, 50 we got. Next, look at like this, 10 plus 30, 40 we got. 20 here, 20 here, finished. 25 plus 15 plus 10, 50. So 30. So you can add like this.
Okay, ma'am.
If there is coming differences, so you have did the question wrong. Okay. So do the feasible solution. Is that a feasible or optimal solution or not? Do that. And do the total cost also. Tell me how much you got total cost. Same like the previous methods only, that feasible solution and total cost. M plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. You will get the feasible solution, and do the total cost also. 9 into 25, 5 into 30, 8 into 10, 1 into 20, 6 into 15, 1 into 30, 6 into 30 and 1 into 40. Add that, so you will get the total cost. So this is Vogel's approximation method. Completed, everyone? Can I arise? Tell me the total cost. What is the total cost?
Ma'am, 695.
695. Okay. So everyone did total cost and feasible solution. So let us do second question. Can I arise?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we'll do next question. So everyone getting the differences between the least cost and northwest corner and Vogel's approximation method, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the least cost we need to do by choosing the least cost from the full matrix. In the northwest corner rule we need to do from the northwest corner point, and in Vogel's approximation we need to do by taking the differences of rows and columns as P1, P2, P3, and we have to take the higher number. W2, W3 and W. Okay. So this is 9, 10, 8, 14, 7, 7, 10, 6, 5, 6. Okay. Write down this P1, P2, 3 till P6 or P7. So the question is the rows and columns are more, right? So the P1, P2, 3 will be more. So I don't have space. Okay. 8, 8, 5, 12, 6, 9, 11, 9, 10, 15, 6, 13, 6, 8, 7, 8, 11, 10, 11, 13, 8, 14, 5 and 12. So tell me the differences in the P1 in row wise. 8 minus 5, 3. Next here the least cost is 6 and 9, so it's also 3. And here 6, 10 and it's 4. And here 6 minus 8, 2, sorry 7, it's 1. 7 is there, no? So it's 1 here. Okay, so the next one here 10 minus 11, 1. Here 5 minus 8, 3. So write column wise 6 and 6, 0. And 8 minus 8, 0. And here 5 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 6, 1. And here 8 minus 9, 1. So tell me here the higher number is 4. So in F3, so the least cost is 6. So here 8 units and 10 units. So take 8 units. Reduce from 10, you will get 0 and here 2. So cross it. Okay. So next one, tell me here 0, 0. 0, 1. Here 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 6, 3. And 10 minus 13, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. 10 minus 11, 1. And next one 8 minus 12, 4. Okay, next higher number is 4 in F6. So the least cost is 8. So here there are 9 units, but there are only 6 units. So make this 0. And here still 3 more units. So cancel it. So next tell me 6 minus 6, 0. Next 8 minus 8, 0. 0. And here 1. And next 8 minus 8, 0. 3. 3. 8 minus 6, 2. So here also we get 2. Here 2, it's not 0. Here it is 2 because 8 minus 6, it's 2. I thought only 8 and 8 is there. So here 2. So next one 1. Next 0. So tell me here the least cost are 3, but there are 2 3s. So okay, here the 3 is there and here is also 3 is there. So these 3 both are higher numbers. So which one you need to take now? Tell me.
Ma'am, the second one,
Why?
because there is remaining 2
Huh?
बचा हुआ है ना 10 को डिवाइड कर.
Acha, like that. Oh no, we need to take the row which has the least number. Least number कौन सा रो में है वो देख के लेना पड़ेगा. अभी फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड रो में least numbers is 6, right? So we need to take here 6. Okay, so how many units are there here? 3. So it will become 0. So now we are taking this 3. Right over there, when two numbers are same and higher, we need to choose the least cost from the both the rows or columns. It may be from column or rows. If we got both 3 and 3 here, we need to choose the least cost from both these two columns. If it is from rows, we need to choose the least cost from the both these rows. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this 3 has minus, so here it will be 4. So next tell me P4. 8 minus 12, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 2. 8 minus 8, 0. Here 3, nil. So next here it is nothing. And here 8 minus 8, 0. Here, so tell me the higher number is 4. So here the least cost is 8. So how many units we can? 7 units we can take. So 0. And here how much? 3. So make it as, cancel this. Okay. So next P5. 9 minus 9, 0. 15 minus 13, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. And 3. And here nothing is there. So next one, here nothing. Here 8 minus 9, 1. Here is nothing. 8 minus 9, 1. So the higher number is 3, right? So 3 in this. So the least cost is this. So we need to take 3, 0, and here there are 2 more units and scratch this. Okay. So now here only this column is remained. So take the total units whatever they have remained. So here 7 units there are. So there are 2 units here. There are 6 units here. There are 2 units here. So overall tell me, is that 14 or not? 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14. So it is 0. Next, so everything as 0. So and scratch it. Clear? So everything got reduced, right? So m plus 1 and m plus n minus 1 is equal to number of cells occupied. So m is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, sorry, 6 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9. So 6, 10 minus 1, 9. So 9 is equal to 9. So it's a feasible solution. So do the total cost. Copy it.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ
P1 row और column.
हाँ
0, 0 ये P1 row and column.
हाँ I didn't get
P1 row and column.
P1
P1 row and column. 0, 0.
this
0.
0 ones हाँ
P1 और 3, 3 समझ में नहीं आता है. P1
this one I didn't get you. अच्छा this 3.
yes.
Actually this 3 we there is higher number, right? Bigger than 3 is 4, right? We have took 4 here. 4 number is there, no, it is higher than 3. So we have took here 4. So we need to take this. इस कॉलम में कौन सा लीस्ट नंबर है? 6. अभी 8 यूनिट्स फ्रॉम W3 and here F3 में 10 units है. You can take this 8 units reduced from 10. You will get other two more units to satisfy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because already there are the number which is more than 3 is there, so we have took 4, right? But here in the P3 there are 2 numbers. There are 2 numbers same, 3 and 3. In that case, we need to choose the least number from the both these rows. Look at here 3 and 3 is there, right? So in these two rows we have to select the least number. So 6 is least number, so we have took here. So copy that.
टोटल कॉस्ट 336
कितना है?
336
336. Yes, right. The total cost is 336. Everyone got that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So okay, we will end the class today here itself. Okay. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. So everyone come regularly. Everyone come regularly. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.